Google Search Console is a free tool that helps you see how your website appears in Google Search. It doesn't show traffic like Google Analytics. Instead, it focuses on how well your site performs in search results. You can check which keywords are bringing people to your website. You'll also see which pages are showing up in search and if there are any problems with how Google reads your site. It alerts you to issues like broken links, indexing problems, or pages that aren't mobile-friendly. You can also submit a sitemap so Google can crawl your site more efficiently. To use it, go to search.google.com/Search Console and sign in with a Google account. Then follow the steps to verify your website. It's one of the most useful tools for tracking your visibility in search, and it's completely free. If you want to understand how your site performs and how to improve it, Search Console is the place to start. Subscribe for tomorrow's tip and visit bottletopcreative.com for more beginner-friendly SEO support.